Okay, so let's start. So it says what? Using the level 300 field dataset, especially the attribute to perform spatial analysis, both point and kernel density on a feature of your choice, either barbering shops, bar stop, churches, or hairdresser salons in the Greater Accra Metropolitan Assembly. Compose a map with your final output. That means for this week, your map must be two because it says perform what's the name point both point and kernel density. So your map must first have the point density, then after that it must have the what kernel density. So we will be having two maps here. So let's start. Let me open my software. I think is it my software. Let's wait as it's finish loading. Let's wait. Okay, good. So this is our software now. This is our software. This our software. So we first have to upload a Aqua map. So this is our Aqua map. My Aqua map is here. No. This is my Aqua map. So first, so let me go to here. So let me upload the discrete shape file. Then for me, I would perform my. I'll try then subset. What's the name? Aqua from here. So 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 let me first subset Aqua. Okay. So from here, we go to rating. We go to get unique values. There was search for greater Aqua. Then we'll apply it. Then okay. Then from here, we'll try then export data. We want to subset only Aqua. So greater Aqua. Greater Aqua. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, good. So I've now what subsetted uh Accra. So this Accra for now. And then from here, in the question, it said they give us this file, this zip file, and then I extracted it into I extracted this file. So this is it. So this is it. This is the file that were given to us. So I would have to connect it to the software. So I'll come here, then I'll go to connect folder, connect folder. Right click and then I'll choose. So okay, this is it. Then okay, good. So now we have the folder here. So I'll just expand it, and then drag the survey and then drop it here. Good. So this is uh, this is uh, our survey features. This is that. So from here, I would come to selection, attribute by selection. Now I'll change this place from the Ghana new 260 district to survey because we are now using survey. And then I'll come in and then I'll look for feature. Okay, with this feature equal to, and I'll get my what, get unique values. Now here you can choose any of your choice. You can choose any of your choice because the question said what? It said on a feature of your choice, either barber shop, bar stop, churches, or what, hairdressing salons. So you can choose any one of your choice. So me, I would like to go with what, church. Sorry. You can also go with bar stop or barber shop, hair or salon. It all depends on you. You get it? It all depends on you. So for me, I'll go to apply and I'll go to what? Okay. I'll go to okay. So the churches here have what highlighted. The what highlighted. Okay, so from here they would go to true processing because the coaches said what both point and what kernel density. So let's start with the point density. So it comes to the processing and the arc toolbox. So when we come to the arc toolbox, then we'll then look for what? We'll look for let me see. This is it, okay. Spatial analysis tool, they will expand it. After expanding it, they will also look for what? Density. So okay, so this is density. They will tap on the, they will also expand that one. I'll choose the what point density. So let's select the point density. Select the point density. Okay, good. So from here we'll tap on this. Okay, that was select this or survey. Select the word survey. Okay, so after selecting the survey, we would come to the what, environment here. Now from here, they will come to what? Processing extent. Now, for the processing extent, we then change it from default to what? Same same layer as Aqua. Please take note. We change it from what same layer as greater Accra because I saved Accra as what greater Accra. This is it. So I'll just select or save as greater Accra. You see. Then from here I'll minimize it and then what come to faster analysis. I'll come to what faster analysis. Faster analysis. And I'll sorry, good. Faster analysis. Then from there I would tap on this. I will then select greater Accra because that is what we are using. Like we are having our churches and bus stops and stuff in greater Accra. So I'll just get sorry. I'll just want greater Accra. Look at it. Greater Accra. Then okay, that's all. Greater Accra. Then from there I'll choose okay. Then I think yes, so that's all for now. Select okay. So let's wait for it to finish loading. So let's wait for it to finish. So let's wait for it to finish loading. Just still loading. So let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. Okay, so it is done loading. So let's uncheck greater Accra and then let's check sorry. Okay, good. So this is our work. This is our work here. This is how our work is what supposed to be like. So let's go back to the question. So we've done okay, blah 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 blah. So we've done all this. Good. So we are now what coming to do what compose a map with your final output. So this is our final output. So we are now coming to compose a map with this because this is our final output, right? So from here we'll go to view and then layout view. Good, layout view. So let's try to expand this more. So we are coming to do what to compose our map now. I want to compose our map, right? Compose our map. So let me try and expand this. Let me try and see if I can enlarging distance. Okay, I think I can't. So let me leave it like this. Okay, so from here we can now add our title. So I can name it map of greater Accra. Greater Accra showing showing the point density because I use points. You see, so point density of churches. And I'll click on what okay. So with here, let me now reduce the size a bit. Let me reduce the size. Let me reduce the font size. So maybe 16. Okay. So, good. Good. So I think I've added the what? Greater Accra. That's it. Then we can add not our. So this is wait, I'll expand it. Expand it. Good. Okay. Now for me, I can do is I can add my legend to it. Legend. Legend. So for the legend, I want Gutaka to also appear. No. So let me. Okay. I can add the point because it is very necessary. Gutaka necessary. Survey is not necessary. So next. Then yeah, okay. I can leave it like that. Language fonts. Maybe start new. Okay, I can go to the next. What color now on the background to be? I can make the background maybe. Let me choose this color. The next. Okay, it's fine. So next. And finish. Good. So this is my legend. This is my legend. I'll put my legend. Good. So yeah. So from here to we can add out skill bar. Which of them you can choose the one you want. So let's bring it down. Yes. I think that's all. That's all. So okay, let me then add my name. Text. Name. 1 second. Name. I can increase the font size, so maybe 20. Okay. Okay. So this is so you can then add your name and then ID and the rest. You can add your name and ID and the rest. So yeah. So that's mine. So for me, I think we are done. This is my map. This is my map. This is my map. So for me, we can save this one. So come to file. Sorry, file. Then go to what? Export map. Export map. Map. Let me show us map 5. So I'll save it on my desktop. Okay, so let me save it. Yeah. So I think AC. Let me go back. So this, yeah. So that's my map. That's my map. So I've satisfied the question. The question. Yeah. So I've composed a map with my what final output. But the question said what perform both point and then kernel density. So I'm done with the what with the point. So I'll now compose the kernel one. I'll compose using the kernel density. So let me take this off. Sorry. So let me delete this one. So let me remove it. So good. So so we are done with the points. So now we are doing the what? We are doing the kernel density too. So it's the same process. You go to dual processing, add two rows. Then you would search for spatial analysis tools, expand it. Now look for what density. So this is density. Then also expand that one too. And now you choose what kernel density. Kernel density. So yeah, this will be your next thing you see. So yeah, we'll choose our survey. Good. Then we'll come to what environment. Then we'll go to our processing extent. Then we'll change it from default to what same layer as what Greater Accra. You see. And from here to then we'll go to what faster analysis. Sorry. Always make sure that this place is what converting it. Always make sure it's what converting it. It's very, very necessary. Very, very necessary. Always make sure that it's what converting it, because some you do it and you would be like, I did it, but how come it's not showing? Yeah, so please, when it gets to this place, make sure that you are following the right process. Kindly make sure that you are following the right process, else you do everything and then you would see that your work is not or is wrong. You get me? So let me go back and start from. So from here you will come to what processing extent. Change the extent to the same as Greater Accra, same as layer Greater Accra, and then you also change here to change from okay. So yeah, you choose what convert unit, and then you change the max to what you would select sorry Greater Accra. You get me? Then okay, you get me? So I think we are done, and then okay. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so good. So we have done a kernel density. So let's uncheck Greater Accra, and then so good. So this is our kernel density. So from here to would create a map for you to. So go to view, layout view. So so I think even the first one I did, it is the features are still showing. So I think I would have to delete some. So for this one, I'll just need to change the name. I just need to change the name because okay, let me just take this one off. Let me just take this one off and do it again. Yeah, so I think let me take this one off and do it again. So I think then name is okay. So let me add my legend. So yes, this one must be there. Creator account must be there. Yeah, this one must be there. Go to next. So next, I can change the background maybe. Let me see. I'll take maybe olive. Then I'll go to next, then next, and then finish. Good. So this is my own, and then I can now add your title. So let me edit this thing. Okay. I want to change the name. Well, let me delete this one. See. I'm coming. Let me try something. Okay. So can change it was map of creator map of creator like showing the kernel density density changes. Okay, so let me just do like this. Map showing the kernel density of churches in Greater Accra. Is some parts of Greater Accra. Okay, now let me see. So I'll make a bold, underline it. Okay, then apply. I think it's too long, so let's try and then change the font size. Let's make it 18. Okay, apply. 18 still seems to be long. It still seems to be long. So let's we can make it what? Let's let me make it maybe 14. Okay, apply. Okay, so okay, I think this fine. That's fine. I think it's fine. So yeah, so we are done with this one. So this one, the size looks too small. Let me go with continuity. Hmm. Okay, I think this is fine. This is fine. No, this is fine. This is fine. Good. So this is fine. So we are okay. I didn't analyze. Let me analyze. Okay, yeah, so that's it. So for me, they'll go to view, then sorry, file, export as map, export map. So now save it on desktop. I'm making maybe map 5D. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, so let me open it. Good. So I have this first map here, and I have second map. So okay, so so I have so so I have my first map here. This one was using, what's the name, kernel density, and this is was using uh, point density. So that's all, guys, and I want to thank you once again for voting for me as your next president, and I promise that I won't take this lightly, and I also promise to fulfill my policies. So yeah, thank you very much. Bye.